Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to make your icons bigger and smaller in Windows 11 or 10 PC. So this is very easy to do. All you need to do is be on the home screen here and hold down Control and scroll up. And that will make the icons as big as you like. Now, to make them small, you need to hold down Control and scroll downwards. So that's how to make your icons bigger and smaller in Windows 11 or 10 PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.